Wow. I love Windows XP. I got a message and it says, "Do you want to install Windows 10? Yes. I would want it, but it says something. Never mind, I'll install it. Wow, I can't wait to install Windows 10. Wait a minute, but it says, Alex OS. I'm gonna cancel. Close. Well, I have to wait.
Welcome to my OS. I'm Alex. Please set up your account. Type your username and password to protect your OS system. Then choose your country, then take your place. You could also be able to change your profile picture.
Well, the setup screen looks nice. I'm gonna set up my account. Well, I'm lazy to change the profile picture, so I'll go to next. What? The free trial for this OS is for 45 days? Well, fine, I won't use a products key. Well, at least the background is good. I wonder these apps are good.
Hello. Again, I'm your host Alex. Feel free to do fun on your computer.
Okay. Let's check the internet. Alex search engine? I never heard of it, but it's because it's Alex OS. Let's go to Beyond. I will use free trial.
To get to the free trial, you need to pay $225 per day to use it.
Hey, please close this app. Let's paint something. Wow, this looks like the professional art drawing program. Time to draw. Wow, I've drawn a car. Let's save it.
I'll save it for you.
What? It says, this performs an illegal program and needs to be shut down. But I choose to save. Well, it sucks. I am going to Movie Maker.
The Movie Maker startup failed, but we will try to fix it. But anyways, oh no. You got a red screen of death. Try restarting your computer.
I just wanted to open the Movie Maker. Damn it. Oh well, let's restart. Well, let's see the notepad. Let's write something.
Hey, that's mean.
Now I'll save it. What? How it can't save?
Because this is an offensive document. Now I'll change the error window to blue.
What? Change it back to gray.
No, never. I'll keep it blue forever.
Now listen to me. If you don't change it teal gray, I'll stab you with a knife.
Okay, fine, you fat.
That's much better. I am going to check the news.
Dobrodošli u vesti. Stotine ljudi poginulo je od velike bombe koja je eksplodirala u Srbiji. Posle bombe, niko nije preživeo eksploziju.
Hey you. Yes, you. Speak English please.
Slušaj ovde, čoveče. Ja sam Srbin, a ne znam engleski, pa moram da govorim srpski.
No. I just want you to speak English right now.
Hej, nemoj me tako vređati. Moram da pričam srpski jer sam iz Srbije, a ne znam engleski, možeš li da opereš uši?
I will check video player.
Oops, don't know how it happened.
Well, let's check the shop.
Oh no. You got a red screen of death. Because you opened the shop and it's closed. Try restarting your computer. Welcome back to Alex OS. I made a major change. We replaced video player's weather. You can check weather app.
Well, I'm actually doing it now. Well, the weather system looks nice. I'm gonna check how it will be today. HMM. Seems interesting. Let's check for more. Are these all the programs?
No. There are more programs on the Start menu.
Well, I'm checking the maps. What? Maps is in beta?
I forgot to tell you all these apps in Start menu are in beta.
That's it. I'm uninstalling this OS.
We deleted the uninstall and kill button.
Actually, I will restart this computer. Now I need to press F8 until the screen appears. Okay, I made it. Let's go to computer fixing. Nice, they have OS recovery. I'll go to there. I'm uninstalling Alex OS. Yes. I made it. I uninstalled Alex OS. I should be fine. I just need to wait for the computer to boot. It's not over. Oh my. I'm scared for another. Wow. I got Windows XP. Thank you, OS recovery.